Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the exact replacement pigtail and tools. This is critical because mismatched connectors fail. Once done, cut the old cable at the strain relief and strip back 5 to 10 millimeters so you see separated conductors. Make sure to identify left, right, and ground by color or continuity. You do this now because clean wire exposure makes solder joints reliable, and using heat shrink here prevents later shorts. You tin wires first to speed soldering and prevent frayed strands. This helps form neat joints. Then solder each tinned conductor to its matching pad on the replacement pigtail, one at a time, and keep the joint steady so heat doesn't lift pads. Once all connections are made, slide individual heat shrink sleeves over each joint and shrink them. This prevents shorts and adds strain relief. Finally, bundle and cover with a larger sleeve to restore durability. You must verify continuity and absence of shorts before using the AirPods to avoid damage. Once the multimeter shows proper L, R, and ground paths, reassemble the housing and reinforce the outer strain relief with a flexible sleeve or a small dab of hot glue so the joint won't flex and fail. Make sure to test by playing audio at normal listening levels. If you hear dropout or imbalance, recheck solder joints and shielding connections as the single most common issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.